You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. How do you say it correctly? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. One way, which is probably more the British English pronunciation, is as Lucius, Lucius. The other way, which is probably more American, is as Lucius, Lucius. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.